Today is Thursday, the night, the day before Friday, the day when we are heading to Tarrant. Guess what? I got Tarrant today for go shoot. Well, not really shoot. I assist them with them short film when them shoot. So I gotta head up there right now and just get this thing done. Because at the end of the day, you know how I do things. We help, we assist, we work, we create. We are very innovative. So right now, as I leave my scheme, head up on the road, I'm really not fearful left me on. Sun hot. Whew. Now if I talk about the sun now bubble and boil today. Right now, we're head up over to I swear me hate them back there. So yo, we're head to Tarrant now, so let's go. Them now for come from up for the farm. Me here, I look at his trip on the journey to the farm and it look long, so you know what? I can't lose my phone and this man can't lose this. Much at 300k? Should be 300k. I say can't dash a 300k in the day, so today I'm gonna wait. The man left me with the hands them for swarm. I just all I go lift up the drone and it's like I don't know how much scoop it they come from them, just appear nowhere. So can't me like glue for look on the look phone screen, but Jano. Over there, I help all the kids them shoot them thing, you don't know. We're always here for the kids. Always have to support them. Make sure so them dreams become reality, so you don't know. Just continue watch the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, you get me? We're there, we're there now. We catch up back with everybody. All the back people there, Carninas there. Michael there, everybody there, you see me? Answer, you know what I mean? So they are going to the thing, as I say, but they are give some local guidance and things. So they are going to make it work.
Is where you go looking like that?
I don't know if y'all can hear me now, but we're at what? Palisades? Yeah, we're at Palisades. Over there I get ready for shoot. Over there so we're going to shoot right now. So Akeem operator.
I make it through.
That's him I use today. Me and drone operator for today. You know what I think of? We're director there. It's miserable right now, but we're there. You see me? But what do you? See that one I just see? And that one for the head up right now. Alright. We just do some drone shots over there, so. Shots. Right now I'll go to the other location and I'm just have to climb them rocks here and try to reach over the next side. Just bear with me. Shit. Right. You see how bad mind skate, you know, land the place there. And this nigga still a back. Come clear the kid, this is bad mind. What's bad mind? When we take a picture and you run go to the spot. Snap the picture for him, make him see. No, because you have so 60, you better have 60k followers on Instagram. So guess what now? The look of this fiction boy or whatever he might do, the girl them love him off so. Cause no one entry to fiction. So you can't put that on the back. Yes, man, you have free entry to fiction. So if you say yo anything you take officer. Oh man, amazed that. You never the captain of just like yes, we there the people. Which part we there we don't know. Yeah. Over there we don't know. Yeah. He is there. No there upon Starface video shoot, you see me? And I'm tired of fun. Orlando, you know. Which crack? Yeah, you that pussy. Enough girl suck off them toe, yeah. Can't
People
with them
suck
can.
off them toes.
With what can? With what can? One can. So the girl now suck off your toe, you know.
You'll be surprised. Right.
You'll
be surprised.
Girl is that girl suck your toe, nigga. Owned by the great Lincoln tree, that. Yeah, so you know right now they I shoot this young man I kill me for vlog. So I go on vlog film. You know the shirts. Wait. Dog after you start record you can't flip the camera. So people using the Canon, not my regular phone, but some PS down there so the shooter down there so take a pause for actually shoot my vlog, you see me? So just there I go on, one I look of vibes and I make things work. I'll show her a wider lens. People if you know I give me a wide lens for the camera, I would appreciate it, really do. But there you can hear the song in the background. Sit over there, so. Yeah, sorry. There I shoot. Hopefully we can finish by the next hour or two. Just continue watching the clips them and see what I want.
No, it's true. Like all the problems that you face, you go make it through. Have life, so me give thanks. The most I give thanks. All when things get tough for me, no see nobody, me know you are me assistant. So me stay focused, now switch from work hard and I sing some hit song. Cause me know my time soon come. One day me, I go be the star, them I wish for. Don't worry, you gon' make it.